All right, so we're back over here in the console. Let's do NPM start. That brings us to how may I help you? So we could do an add info. Let's do add, and we'll add an employee. We'll say, please enter the first name. So we'll say Robert, and we'll say last name Green. Add the role ID. So let's do a role of, let's say 3. So let's go ahead and view that info. And we will go and we'll view, let's actually review the ID of roles. Okay, so view that table. So we got a ID of 3, customer experience. So we know that Robert is in customer experience. He got a salary of $60,000, and there's a department ID of 2. So with that, let's go and view the info again, and we'll go and view the employee, and we'll enter the first name, Robert. We'll see that he is in here. So his ID of 9 is his unique identifier, and we've got his first name Robert, last name Green, role ID of 3, which goes to show that he is also in customer experience, and a manager ID of null because he is not a manager. And if we want to, we can also go, let's actually delete Robert. So let's go to delete info, and we'll delete our employee. Type the first name of the employee you'd like to delete. So we will delete Robert. Right, now let's go and we'll go to view info. We will view all employees to see if Robert is there. And when we view that, we've got Ricky, we've got Bob, and we've got Ted. We've got no Robert. Robert is fired, he's gone. We can also go through and let's view everything. So we'll do all data, and we've got Ricky Bobby, customer experience. He makes $60,000 a year. He is a manager. Bob Villa, Ted Blue, they are all in customer experience of $60,000 a year, and they are all managers. And so we can go through and let's go ahead and let's do delete. We'll delete Bob as well. That way we can see that we can delete anybody on here. It does not matter. Anyone can get fired here. So we've got, we will view all employees again. And Bob's not there anymore. It's just Ted and Rick, or Ted and Ricky. And so then we can go back, and actually if we go into view info, at any point we can go into the main menu that brings us back, delete info, there's the main menu, and add info. The main menu brings us back. And with that, we can exit, and we get a nice little prompt that says, see you next time.